Brutal.
Okay.
We've been waiting around for too long for something to show.
おはようございます。バンガーリーガです。
Ohio.
How are you?
Not well, honey.
Are you sick?
I'm a bit sick, yes. You could just put all this stuff on me just so she could film me.
You and I know.
Idaho.
Grab your car keys and jacket, 'cause honey, we're ready to go.
Like, you want to drink Coke?
Exactly, that's what I'm waiting for, honey.
Let's get in the car and you'll drive.
Wow.
Crazy, huh?
I like that.
Been keeping our heads above water, struggling and striving.
Did you see the dust coming out from your socks?
It's, yeah.
Did you sleep with that socks?
Yeah.
Did you ride with that socks?
2 rides.
Big ride, honey.
Yeah, yesterday was quite big.
Don't you feel the bed is getting really sandy?
Yeah.
You dirty man.
Yes. Deny this.
I'll never leave your side.
I was just looking at your YouTube channel. You got a new subscriber, honey. It's good. You should be happy. New subscriber.
That's not enough.
You're a bad actor.
We got no money, but honey, we got nothing to hide.
V shape, this V, this kind of makes a V.
Top to fill with a 4-speed transmission. You've got one hand on money, one hand on the steering wheel, worlds passing by outside.
Welcome to Texas.
Oh, I'll never leave your side, I'll never leave your side.
Okay, after 72 days, we drove from Vancouver to El Paso. We crossed the USA.
Yeah.
Yeah. And today I'm gonna talk about how much the trip cost. But this is not including the personal purchase. Like I got a hard drive and he got some bike parts, and also this is not included the bank conversion cost.
Yeah. Just living costs.
Just the living cost. I'm gonna make bank conversion cost video later. So first of all, health insurance. So we have a basic insurance in Canada, MSP.
How much is that a month?
It's a month 75 Canadian. Oh yeah. So we are from Canada, but I convert from Canadian dollar to US dollar. So we're gonna talk about in US dollar. Health insurance is $57.30. It's okay. So we got the travel insurance. It's cost $842 for 6 months. So 1 month is $140.30. Does that make sense? For 2 of us.
For 2 people.
Yes.
Yeah. And you have to have MSP to buy the travel insurance.
Yeah, because Canadian insurance is really good. Is it really good?
Well, it's good in Canada, but once you start traveling, they can only cover what a procedure would cost in Canada up to that price.
Okay.
And then that's why you buy the extra insurance, because they're going to cover beyond that price.
A lot beyond if you had accident, yes. Okay, so next is auto insurance, BC insurance, ICBC. And so 1 year we are paying $1,527. 1 month is $127.
That's with my discount though.
Oh, yeah.
43% discount or something, max discount you can have. So, because I'm a road star.
You never had an accident?
I had one, but they let you have one accident before they start taking away.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But you had a lot of speeding ticket, did you?
But that was when I was young.
Oh.
I'm not young anymore. That was a long time ago.
Oh, yeah. Now you just drive like a grandma.
I used to have sports cars. Now I drive this giant behemoth.
Yeah.
I drive it as slow as I can.
Okay. So we drove 5,457 kilometers. How much gas we spent?
Oh yeah. Well, I could probably, so it's, in Canadian it's at least $100 a tank.
Yeah. Or more like 120 or something.
And it'll do, I don't know, 600 kilometers a tank.
Yeah, calculate, honey. You're a smart guy. You can calculate.
5,000 divided by 600. I don't know.
You want a phone? I have a phone.
Oh yeah. That means we only filled up 8 times during the whole road trip?
For 72 days.
That can't be right. I'm just gonna say $1,000 for gas.
10 times?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. In US dollars, we spent $700.
Oh, so I'm not, yeah, I was thinking Canadian.
Yeah.
So I'm not
Also,
that wrong.
Canadian is like a $916.
Okay,
It's good guess, I guess.
I guess so.
Yes. So 1 month we spend $301.50.
So it would have been cheaper to fly if we wanted to go straight to El Paso.
Oh yeah, but you miss everything, honey.
Yeah.
The flight may be more expensive because this is 2 people, honey.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So next is what? Food.
Sure.
So how much we spend in groceries?
I have no idea because every place you go, the
Yeah.
price is different. Actually, the cheapest place we found was in Moab. There's a cheap grocery store there.
Yeah.
Shockingly cheap.
Yeah,
But-
but you know, Coke, Canada is the cheapest place.
Yeah.
You thought US was cheaper? Actually, it's not. I should count how many Coke we've been drinking.
We've had a small Coke addiction.
Yes. So in whole trip, for 72 days, we spent $751.50.
Oh, okay. So gas is more expensive. No,
No,
gas
food
about
is
the
more
Oh,
expensive.
they're about the same actually.
Yeah, almost same. So 1 month is $323.50. Yeah, food. I think food is the most expensive.
$300.
Expense.
So that's like, yeah, $175 a person.
160 something.
Mm.
Yes. Each for 1 month. One day we spend average like $10.50 together. So like $5 each.
Okay.
It's not bad, yeah.
It really shows how expensive eating out is.
Oh, and next is the restaurant. Eating out expense. During 72 days, we eat out 4 times. 2 times in McDonald's. So when we walk in our van, we like to eat in McDonald's for lunch. But we are in US, so we wanted to try different burger. So one time we went to In-N-Out Burger.
Oh, right.
That was good.
That's more interesting than McDonald's because
Yeah.
we don't have that in Canada. But
And one time we went to Mexican food with our friend. So 4 times eating out, and we spent $58.51.
oh, that's still pretty cheap.
Yeah, right? In US
You
dollars.
could eat out once and spend more than that.
In Canada, it's like $76.
It's too much.
Yeah. I'm so confused. Like when I calculating in US dollars, and like my mind is Canadian dollars. So confusing. Okay, next. What do you want to know next?
Cell phone bill.
Oh, that's really expensive actually. So when we get in US, we bought router for the internet and cell phone connection.
So yeah, we have two lines basically. We have data on this, it's 12 gigs I think. And then on my phone it's 15. Well, it's unlimited, but they start throttling at that data at
Yeah.
that level. But
This one is $240, and plus we have to pay every month. first month there's some fees
Yeah.
and stuff, so it's a little bit more expensive. But average is $125.
Okay.
Is it good?
I think it's not bad for 2 lines with unlimited data, unlimited in quotes.
And we can use in Canada and Mexico as well. In
Yeah,
Mexico,
you can
it's
use
not
it anywhere
great.
in the world, I think, or most
Oh,
places.
really?
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
I don't know. I guess one of the things. Did you include oil change? I guess that's
Oh
what
yeah.
cost.
So the van maintenance fee. So we did the one-time oil change. It's cost $64.20. So we bought on oil and filter, and we just bring it them to the service place and pay $20 for
It's
it.
actually really. It's $17.
Or $17.
Oh.
And next,
Oh. I saw you had written there propane.
oh, propane. Yes.
That's actually that's one of the best things about the van is because the propane is
So
so
cheap.
cheap and lasts forever.
Yeah, so during the 72 days, we fill up twice. And it's cost $24.50.
Total?
Yeah, total. And 1 month is just like $10.55.
Yeah. Had we gone to the States in summer, that would be even less. But we were using it to heat the van,
Heater use a lot of propane, yes.
but it's still really cheap. Yeah, the shower, I don't think the shower uses much at all.
Next. Oh yeah, shower. How much did we spend money on shower? Excluding propane.
$0.
Yes, $0. Of course, there's like some installation fee, which I'm gonna talk about later.
Well, you made a whole video about installing the shower, yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't talk about the price.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. Your video was incomplete then.
Oh yeah. Okay, next. Oh, campground fee?
Oh,
Accommodation
yeah.
fee?
Lodging?
Lodging, yes.
$0.
$0.
Yeah.
Where did you stay then?
We just parked anywhere, really. Actually, here, let's turn the camera.
Oh yeah.
That's where we slept last night.
Last
on
2
the
days.
street, yeah.
It's not quite flat, but you know, it's okay.
Yeah, it's not perfect. Yeah,
Zero!
yeah. Usually you just park in the street somewhere. Nobody bothers you.
No.
There's like one time a cop showed up, and he's like,
Oh,
"Oh,
yeah.
yeah, you can't park here. This is city property." And then I looked on the map, and it was BLM land. I'm like, "No, we can stay here. It's BLM land." So yeah, anyways, for people that don't know, BLM land is in the States, means that you're basically free to park there without any problems. Like it's just like public access land. So yeah, but if you go on Trail Forks, for all the mountain bikers out there, you can bring up a BLM land layer, and you can see exactly where it is, and basically free camping. So
You're so homeless. It's okay.
so homeless,
Harmless.
harmless. Oh,
We are homeless, but it's
yeah, we're harmless too. Yeah.
okay. Next is laundry.
Oh yeah. Well, we spoke about a little bit about this before. Apparently, through the 72 days, we did laundry only 3 or 4 times.
4 times.
Yeah.
So we did laundry
About
every
8
second
weeks.
week. Yeah. So it's like $19.62 for every 2 weeks. Isn't it dirty?
It just depends how much clothes you have. Although I wear a lot of the riding, like my shorts, riding shorts, they get like 2 or 3 rides out of them for sure.
Are you gonna say that in the video?
I'm a dirt bag.
Okay, he's dirty.
So are you.
I'm cleaner.
Oh, by the way, you should cut to that dog right now. Hey, buddy. Petting that dog and there's dust coming out. Oh, you're dusty. That's basically me.
Okay, so next is the last one, activities.
Oh, we paid for shuttle in Moab.
Yeah, which cost $55 when we did the portal. That was a really good one, yeah? You made a video out of it.
Yeah, that was fun. Yeah, click on the top right hand corner.
Oh, okay. Oh, and also we got this America the Beautiful Pass. Like we can go to the national parks and small parks. So it's 1 year and $80.
So we should use that on the way back.
Oh, we will.
Yosemite.
Oh, I really wanna go.
We have to go see that climb Alex did.
Okay. And we went 2 times movies.
2 times the movies? Oh yes.
Yeah.
To watch Free Solo with Alex Honnold.
Oh yeah.
Definitely watch that. It was in Utah. In St. George. There's a really cheap theater there,
Yeah.
and it was actually a pretty good one. It was that movie with I guess it was the Chinese or Korean guy that is looking for his daughter, and the whole movie is done within the computer screen.
Oh yeah.
forget what
Oh
it's
yeah,
called.
that was a good one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna find out. So it was getting noisy, so we changed the location. So 2 times movie, we spent $34.86. So total activity was $169.86. So this is the total. For 72 days, we spent $3,322 US dollars. So for a month, we spent $1,430
For 2 people.
for 2 people. So that means like 700 each
Okay, that's not too bad.
a month.
Food and lodging.
Showering, laundry, traveling. It's not bad. I think it's quite cheap, huh?
Yeah.
It's a good thing we don't drink beer. We drink a lot of Coke, but
I'll have the occasional beer, but
yeah.
I always look at it. I'm like, oh, it's too expensive.
Yeah. We're spending a lot of money on me.
The fuck is that?
We're still spending money on the car a lot for the conversion. So I don't feel like we are saving money, but
Yeah. Oh, I guess one thing that we haven't talked about because it's different for everybody else is that we have a loan. Is that we have a loan on the van, so we're paying a monthly fee.
as a rent, I guess.
Yeah. But we don't want to say how much it is exactly because that'll be different for everybody else. So yeah.
We are in Mexico right now and traveling around Mexico like maybe a few months and go back up to Canada again. What do you think? Is it expensive or cheap?
I think it's pretty cheap actually. Yeah. To be able to like live where you want, when you want, and
Yeah.
just be traveling, go ride where you want.
Okay. Thank you for watching.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Good point.